What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I was chatting with a friend. I'm a dolly girl on Instagram, and she was like, Toya, there are new mini BarbieLand at Target. So I ran to the store and there are new mini BarbieLand Fashionistas. I placed one order online the night before because I didn't want to take any chances of them not being on the shelf. So when I went to pick up my order of 10, I decided to go in the store and see if they were on the shelves. So I grabbed a few more in case we got doubles. Because in the store, I can see the code. And I can choose the ones with different codes to try to reduce my doubles. These were $2.99 each. On the back, we can see that there is one mini doll and one container inside, and we can see all 10 dolls in this collection. And these minis have a color change element, using hot and cold water. Water toys get messy, so I probably won't use that. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here's the code. I need a little mini book where I can write those down. This wave of minis comes in a bottle of nail polish, and we can just remove the top, and there's the mini. Wrapped in plastic, here is Ken Fashionista number 227. The mini BarbieLand figure has a little blue streak in the front. There are printed details going all the way around. He can bend at the waist and is compatible with other mini BarbieLand playsets. The included container is plastic and there's nothing on the inside. There is a sculpted brush. I don't know if you're supposed to use this for the color change or not. And if not, it's just a small pretend bottle of nail polish, like the first tube of lipstick, which I wish was mini doll packaging or an accessory that can be used with mini BarbieLand, like a pink Barbie box or a closet. Let's circle back to the idea of having a mini book to store our codes, like this one I just made on my computer. I made two, one for the polish series and one for lipstick. Just cut them out. Each book has two parts. The cover and pages are attached. Just fold on the lines. So the cover is like a book. Then fold the first page back and the rest accordion style. Add the last two pages using a glue stick to hold all the pages together. Glue the last page to the back cover. The stack of pages is thinner than the spine, so I just have to be careful when gluing to make my mini code book, where I can flip through the pages to find the mini doll. There he is, and write down the code to help us keep track. I wanted to make this when they first came out, so I'm glad we finally got around to it. Now let's see if we can find all 10. This one is 2084 with Barbie Fashionista number 224 with pink hair. Her face is not printed as sharp as the first one, so I wouldn't mind a double of this one with a better print. Opening our third one with the code 1994, giving us the figure of Barbie Fashionista number 231. All right, on to the next. This one is 1984, which is Barbie Fashionista number 233. We definitely got a little overspray on this one. Number 2044 is... I kind of feel like when I take the top off the polish, the mini should come out. Sorry, that's just me thinking out loud. This is Barbie Fashionista number 230. She has some pink highlights and is a decent print. This one is 2064. That number sounds familiar. Let me grab the book. 2044, 2064. Yep. We got a double because I ordered some online and didn't have a chance to check the codes. But now we just kind of verified that that number is this doll. This is 2084, which also sounds familiar. Yep, it's her again. I did say I wouldn't mind getting a double of her if it meant I got a better print. And I got a better print. Wait, does that say 2084? No, it's a triple. Make that a quadruple. No. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to take these back to the store. We've found 5 of the mini BarbieLand figures so far, and we have 6 left. So we can't really get too many more doubles. This one is 1974, which I think is a new code for me, and it gives us Fashionista 232. Her outfit is super cute. You could probably repaint a few and have a whole cheerleading squad. I think this is another double. 1984. Yep, it's this one. But mine had a lot of overspray, so let's see if we can get a better one. Yep, it's better. So manufacturer defects exist. But now we can't get any more doubles in order to complete the collection. This one is 2014, and we get Barbie Fashionista number 206. And look at that, they even gave her her shoes. Lots of details going into these minis. Oh no, I think it's another double. It is. Well, at least now I have one to customize. I think this is a new one. It's 2004, and inside we find a miniature of Barbie Fashionista number 216. Check out the shoes. And my last one is 2044, which I know is going to be a double. Did I just stop filming this video to take the doubles back to the store? Yes, I did. And they were gone at my local Target. So it looks like I'm not completing my collection today. But while I was at Target, I found these mini containers with lids for $1. We get 2 containers, so that's 50 cents each. I saw 3 different colors like clear, navy blue, and pink. Just pull the latch on the sides to remove the lid. Now we have little containers where we can store our mini BarbieLand figures, so we can stay organized in the new year. Speaking of the new year, I made our 2025 calendar. Every year, I try to make a MyFroggyStuff calendar. One for the humans and one for the dolls. I also included a little weekly planner at the top that we can cut out and make just like the code book. Underneath, we can cut out all the calendar pages, glue the month of December onto recycled paperboard, cut it out, take all the other pages, stack them, and place them on top. Run a glue stick along the top edge, press and hold while the glue dries, to make a calendar we can hang on the walls with tearaway pages. Since it's the new year, I've been thinking about resolutions. I have a couple of projects I would like to finish, and I want to come up with more ways to customize doubles, like Mini Brand's books. So I made a few book dust jackets and tried to get the measurements pretty close to some of the Mini Brand's books. If you don't have Mini Brand's books, I did include a few templates on the sides that can be used to cut layers of poster board or cardstock. But if you do have a few doubles lying around, all we have to do is cut them out, find a book that's the same size, fold the printable on the lines so it looks like a book with 2 tabs, place the mini book inside, and place the tabs over the front and back cover to add a little variety to those doll bookshelves. I was having fun using my models for the book covers, like Octavia, Angelina, this is Phoenix, and here's Brooklyn. And now some of the dolls on the shelf are books on the shelf, which is kind of cute. I will make more jackets as I can, so definitely keep a lookout. Thank you for joining us while we checked out Mini BarbieLand and made a book for our codes. And found some containers so we can stay organized in the new year. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Follow us on Instagram, Fanbase, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye! And Happy New Year.